Welcome to Forex Crypto Hub. I am going to show you exactly how to combine multiple time frames to make smarter trading decisions and how to put smarter stop loss. First we go to day time frame and then we find the support and the resistance. The support and resistance must be the nearby support and resistance. We precisely mark the support area. This is the area where we find to try the buy. As in the day time frame, we can clearly see that this is an uptrend. So we need to find the buy, and our target is from we can buy from the support area. Next, we can find out the nearby resistance area, which will be our target area for our buy. We find out the resistance area and we label it same as we label our support area. So the day time frame we use to find out the direction of the trend and to find out the nearby bus supports and resistance. Next, we use the line chart to give a final review of our trend by drawing a trend line and give a look to our support and resistance that we draw correctly. As trend line shows that it is clearly an uptrend, so our buy assumption is alright, and the our support and resistance is clearly confirmed by the line chart. Next we move to a lower time frame, 4-hour time frame, and this 4-hour time frame we use to find out the exact support for our buy. Where will be the exact support from where we can take our buy. I use the trend line in the lower time frame exact to find out exact supports and resistance in a lower time frame. In drawing the trend line, you can see that I consider the wicks of the candles. The bus trend line is the one which touches most of the wicks on the line of the trend line. Now, as you can see that my trend line and my support which is drawn on the daily time frame both are aligned. To find the target of my buy, I have to create a channel. So I just copy the trend line and make a channel. So as you can see, the channel line, the channel line and the resistance line both are aligned. So it will be a good target area. Next, I will move to a 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame I use to find out any confirmations. As in this 30-minute time frame, you can see that the rejection is coming from the overspot area and it also follows over trend line. So my spot, I will consider it a best buying area. As it got rejected from our trend line, I consider it a signal to buy. And to buy, to put my trades, I have to shift from 30 minutes to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame I use to execute my trade. Here I took a long position, but the most problematic part is where is the take profit and stop loss. My take profit is simply the higher high of the previous 15 minutes candle and my stop loss will be the previous low of the 15 minutes candle. Stop loss is 4.3. To make my trade more safe, I have to increase my stop loss. But to which extent? To find out this, I use an indicator which is called the ATR. You can go to the indicator section and write down ATR. It will come on the top, average true range indicator. Put your cursor on the candle which makes the previous lower low of the 15 minutes time frame, which we taken as first as a reference for our stop loss. When you put cursor on it, on the downside you can see the value of the ATR which is 9.6. So we will add this 9.6 to our previous stop loss which is 4.3. So it will become 13.3. So our now the safest stop loss is 13.3. Our first stop loss and plus addition of the ATR of the previous low candle. Now I will just execute the trade and shift to the 5 minutes time frame just to see how our trade goes. Let's move to the chart. And now we can see how the ATR works. The candle gives the bearish move build and touches the trend line below our previous lower low. So if our stop loss is without the ATR, we will be got stop out. Now our target is nearly going to be hit, and it's a good trade. If you like the way I trade, you can subscribe my channel to get in touch. Thanks for watching.